just a financial institution. Since 1997, the company has been continuously conducting corporate social responsibility programs for communities and schools all over the country.
Kami na nakapunta kayo sa event namin, and also sa ating mga mga fur parents na at least involved sila sa kanilang pets na yang gusto nila na lessen the population, yung mga unnecessary na mga offspring ng ating mga pets, and responsible ownership. Thank you din kay very responsible kayo na pet owners, and also thank you sa ating mga sponsors, NutriChunks, Majesty, and then Ruby, Maxim, and also our partners sa event na to is the Lulier. Very thankful din po kami.
Hi kapamilya! I am Hope, the Grand Lady of the VLB Sorority Psi Chapter.
And I am Jacob, the Grand Knight of the VKV Fraternities, Omicron Chapter.
So, we are very grateful for this opportunity. Right, Tol? We are very grateful for the ML for choosing VKB VLB as their partner. So, grabe no, kanina pa tayong umaga dito. We've been preparing for this event for weeks now. And we are very grateful that we are almost done with the event, right, Tol?
Yes.
What can you say about this event?
Actually, for me, it's very fulfilling kasi MULR provided us an opportunity para i-practice natin yung ating profession. And as a student, we are grateful din na we are given an opportunity to mag-organize the event na makahelp din sa community and sa mga fur parents and sa kanilang mga fur babies.
Yes, and we hope this is not the last event with ML because we are so revved up and ready for more events in the future. Now, let's ambush our volunteers. Ano kaya ang experience nila in this event? Let's go!
Tara, let's go!
Ma'am, what can you say about the event sponsored by M. Lulier?
Ang masasabi ko lang, talaga siya is, it's very a big help para sa amin na mga fur parents kasi malaking tulong at saka namin yung pagdami ng mga fur animals namin. Yun lang.
Ikaw, ma'am, anong masasabi niyo po sa ML sponsored event?
Very satisfied po sa nangyari ngayong event and very thankful po na nangyari ito kasi medyo laking tipid po ang libreng spay and neuter para sa aming mga fur parents po na hindi na dumami yung mga alaga namin.
Doc is coming all the way from Cotabato City. Yes, from Cotabato City and working from Bureau of Animal Industry in Jedsa. Yes, so malayo po ang naaabot ng ating serbisyo. And what can you say, Doc, sa event natin ngayon?
Yung mga events na ganito like spay and neuter is very helpful po sa ating community. Kaya sa mga fur parents dyan na makakakita ng video na ito, mas mabuting ipa-spay and neuter po natin ang ating mga pets to avoid mga diseases na pwedeng makuha nila. So marami po tayong mga free services na available sa LGUs and other government offices. So if ever meron po, mag-avail po kayo. Thank you!
Yes, thank you, Doc! Number 1!
Congratulations pala sa host, sa sponsors, si M. Lulier and other sponsors. We from NutriChunks San Miguel Corporation are grateful to be invited dito na event. So, we always do community service. We partner veterinarians as part of the support ni NutriChunks sa community.
So, thank you po. Doc Dazel din po is one of our sponsors sa NutriChunks and Majesty.
So thankful for the partnership sa VKB and VLB. Thank you for saying yes and thank you so much for grabe nga effort, super effort sa pag-prepare sa ato ang activity today. Daghang salamat sa inyo. More future pa na partnership. Daghang salamat.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the partnership and hoping for more. Thank you.
We cannot do it alone. We need partners from the community like you guys. So God bless us and God bless Louis. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Tayo na sa Lulier, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Matutupad ang hangarin sa tulay ng pamilya.
All that orders here today, thank you for taking time, bringing your pets, being responsible for our parents. Sana po ay magpatuloy tayo sa pagmamahal at tamang pag-alaga sa ating mga pets.
Ng tagumpay, tulay ng pagmamahalan, tulay na nagbibigay buhay. Ito ang tulay ng iyong pangarap, ang
I know some of you here are wondering, bakit andito ang taga-MUE? As a financial institution, we believe that our role in the community goes beyond providing financial services. We do not limit our offered services solely within the scope of our business, because we also recognize our responsibility to support programs and activities that promote the welfare, safety, and well-being of the community.
Salamat dahil ko sa amo ang kinakos ng partner, ML. Thank you so much, Ma'am Lorelai from Brain One. Grabe ang support nila from the meetings, the planning, very supportive. And also, special mention to my brothers and sisters. It has always been a commitment of the BKBBLB fraternity and sorority to give back to the community with our vet missions like this, and it's very fulfilling in the heart that we have once again conducted a successful activity. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, M. Louis.